Hey guys, my name is Marlo. Today's cleaning day, and we're going to talk about how to get suction back with your vacuum. So unfortunately, every time you vacuum, maybe once or two times, you always have to clean out this filter here. You cannot wait till it gets full because it just has to be clear. And I'm going to show you how to clean your filter out the right way, and I'm going to show you how cleaning out your filter gives you better suction. So we're going to do a test with all this filth and dirt inside the vacuum. We're going to vacuum some things and show you how much power you have with the empty. And then here we go. We got the brush rollers here. These have the hair develops on these rollers every 2 to 3 times that you vacuum, and unfortunately you have to clean it every single time, or else you're going to be going through all the vacuuming motions, thinking you're cleaning your home, and you're not cleaning your home because all this hair is blocking the airways for you to vacuum your home. So we're going to get started with this cleaning test so I can show you. And all you got to do, you get a razor or scissors and you just cut away and just pull that hair out. And then also another tip, guys, you can pull this vacuum pipe away from the vacuum and check in there to make sure there's no blockage, because any blockage in there can stop your vacuum from working. And then also look inside your pipe as well and make sure there's no blockage. So that's another tip to make sure that your vacuum is working properly. So we're going to get started with this test, guys. So guys, we have this dirty filter here. We're going to put it on the vacuum. And we're going to test the power of the vacuum with the dirty filter. So I'm going to measure how close it takes for it to vacuum up this piece of paper. So let's get started. At 1 inch, half an inch. So as you can see, it took a half of an inch close to that piece of paper to vacuum it up. So I'm going to clean the filter and see how much far away we can be from that piece of paper to show you that a dirty filter can cause less suction. So let's get started. So guys, I just opened up this filter. Look at all this filth. I opened it up. Make sure that there's a bag in the area to where you empty out this filter here. So just look at this gunk. Just make sure there's a bag where you're at. So as you can see, I just cleaned out the filter here, but I'm not done. See that little screen in there? To get the best suction, you have to clean that little screen right there. So any vacuum, when you empty out that filter, look for that little screen. And as you can see the little dirt particles in there. Clean that real good. Yeah, it's going to get dirty again, but I'm trying to show you how to get the best suctioning power. So we're going to clean that out real good. So there's filter number 1, the little screen there. We're going to clean that. And then there's another filter here. So it says clean filter monthly. I say clean it out every 2 to 3 times you clean your home. So look how filthy that is. Look at that. And this gets dirty fast. So we're just not going to, brush off the powder. We're going to run some water on this and clean it thoroughly to get more suction power. Okay, guys? So here's another filter here. Look at that. Look how dirty that is. So we're going to... This one we're just going to put back in. But we're going to run this and this under some water. So here's that filter. We're going to run it under some water. Clean it real good. Every little bit counts. Don't be too rough with it. Just squeeze out all the water. Get all that dirt out of there. You get it. So guys, I have the other filter here on my hand. I'm just going to run some water on it. There you go. Clean out that screen, guys. Nice and clean. There you go. We could just air. So guys, you could just air dry it, or this sponge, once you wring out all the water, it's pretty much dry. But if you want to be on the safe side, you could just use this blow dryer and dry it down. So we're going to put this clean filter back that we just cleaned. Put it right in there. It's nice and clean, ready to suck up some dirt. Our screen is nice and clean. We're going to put that back on our vacuum. We're going to do the test, guys. There we go, guys. So we're going to do the suction test. So our prior test was about 1/2 of an inch. So let's give it a try. See how much better suction we have. So guys, our first results was 1/2 of an inch. So the filter's nice and clean now. It's a little bit over an inch. So we got double the power, guys. Double the power. So guys, back to the rollers. What I like about the Shark vacuums is you got easy access to the roller. So you just have these push buttons right here to get to the roller. But I want to show you guys something. So as I say, we're clearing all rollers. So as I was gonna tell you, remember I show you all the airways, the vacuum airways get clogged. So look at, I noticed, see this dust was clogged up in there. So that's why you have to inspect your vacuum every 2 to 3 times you use it, because just this alone, clogged right there, right, can prevent you from even vacuuming. You're going through all the motions and you're not even knowing you're not even cleaning, right? So there you guys go. There's another tip. Make sure this roller, all this hair is out of the way, nice and clean. Like I say, just use the scissors and cut. So guys, another tip, when you put this lid on to the rollers here, you have to make sure it's nice and tight on, because if it's not nice and tight, nice and snug, you got to hear that snap. See how I needed to snap it on both sides, because if it doesn't snap on both sides, or you feel it's nice and snug, these rollers are not going to work. So these rollers aren't working, you're not vacuuming. So there you guys go. So guys, hopefully I was able to help you out with your vacuum to have better suction. But if you have a problem with pet hair, there's actual carpet broom out there on the market that helps you clean up easier. I'll put a link in the description. But also don't forget to like and subscribe. When you like the video, it helps the algorithm. It helps other people find my video. But before we go, I'm gonna show you on a strategy, on a way to clean your carpet a better way. So don't go yet, guys. Hey guys, and just before you go, I want to give you one more tip on when vacuuming. You have to go slow, nice and slow, so the vacuum can have time to suck up all that dust. A lot of people go real fast when they vacuum. Let me give you an example. So here's the vacuum. You'll see a lot of people, how they vacuum, they go real fast, like this, and they think they're cleaning. You got to give the vacuum time to vacuum. So I'm going to give you an example. This is how slow you're really supposed to go. Because if you go really fast like this, you're not really picking up too much. You're going too fast. You're not giving the vacuum enough time to pick up all that dust. So that's a tip before you guys go.